The problems we would experience if the kit we needed wasn't available is really a time. It takes a lot of time to source all those pieces.
The more time that you're waiting for to complete one job means more time you're waiting to complete the next job.
Tying up a lift and taking too long for a repair, it slows everything down, the whole process.
So you got to get things in, you got to get things out. That's the only way to make money.
If the kit's not available, there's a lot more time and sources put in trying to figure out how to get around the problem.
In essence, you'd be turning away a customer from your shop if you weren't able to rebuild the unit.
The goal is always to have a kit in the shop before any car or any shop needs it.
We follow a robust research process, which includes both production data and vehicle part data to let us know what vehicles are on the road, what transmissions they have in.
Our extensive kit coverage for all makes, models, and vehicles allows the end users to be able to service any particular vehicle that might come into their shop.
We try to make sure that we're covering the most popular, because that's part of the first one that's going to hit the shop.
Additionally, our connection to the Freudenberg family also gives us an advantage in this area as well, because we know what they're going to be working on and what applications they're developing right now for vehicles.
With a TransTec kit, they cover a wide range of all transmissions and late models, to where you can order a TransTec kit for whatever you may be working on, and they're going to have it available.
I'm very confident that we can cover just about any vehicle that comes into our shop. TransTec is releasing new kits every day, new kits even for cars that we're not even working on yet.
When they get a new application in their shop, regardless of how new it is or how rare it is, that TransTec will have a sealed kit available to them.
You can't build the transmission if you don't have the parts. So whether it's a ring kit, whether it's molded pistons, whether it's a gasket, if we don't have that stuff, we can't build it. What I found out over the years, since the newer transmissions are coming out now, is TransTec offers a large variety of kits that have all these gaskets, all the stuff that other competitors don't have.